This is the end credit scene from The Incredibles. And sneakily enough, is one of the hardest grooves to play. I'm gonna break it down, struggle through it, make all the mistakes, and just try to lock it down by the end of this video. So I'm gonna show you all the raw and all the real struggle that I may go through trying to learn this freaking tune. So this tune is incredibly hard for two main reasons. Number one, the groove sounds super easy, but it's not, because it's in freaking 5/4. And then not only is it in 5/4, it switches from a 5/4 to a 6/4, and then to a 4/4. So it's so hard to figure out where the timing is sometimes and where to put in the fills that you need to. But this freaking tune is insane. And it sounds super easy, but it's not. All right, so the way that this is gonna work is I'm gonna run through it. I'm just gonna try to sight read it as much as I can and kind of make notes on things that I need to work on and sections that I need to fix, and then just go from there. If I make a mistake, I'm just gonna scream at the I'm just gonna scream at the drum set, maybe throw my sticks, and then do it until I get it right. So here we go. Okay, that one section right there, it has a little drum fill there that it's in 6/4 and I played it in 5. So I gotta count that right next time. All right, so let's take it from that measure, like 34. Second time. Almost made a mistake there. Messed up, bro. I was not paying attention. There are hits on the 6/4. Bam, 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 boom, and it goes into a 5/4. I just didn't hit the hits. Boy. 5. Here's the problem with that section is that I'm trying to do a fill there and I can't do a fill there. I just gotta play I just need to do a crash to signal the downbeat for the next section. That's it. hits on 122. Oh, I hit that wrong there. I gotta go back to that one. Bro, it is so frustrating because I get into the groove and I start playing really good, and then I miss these little things like right here in measure 129. It's like a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and I don't hit those. I'm gonna do it again from that section. Let's see if I can get it down. Let me mute this track. Wow, that was a big change there. Holy cow, that was insane. That was an insane change there, dude. We went from like freaking, what tempo marking is that? 150, right? 150 at 167 right here, 150 to 167, to what? To 210 at 202. Wild. All right, let's fix that. Let's fix that. We gotta lock that in. We gotta lock that in. We gotta lock that in. It has to be clean. Boy, dude, that whole section is insane. I'm gonna have to go back and listen to what the original track does because I'm not sure and I can't hear it here in the track either. Dang, that's wild, bro. That whole section is crazy. So, no, don't do that. So let's see. Here in the measure is... So that's the jazz section. So I want to hear what the original drummer does in this. So he's kind of playing like a groovy feel. That's like based on the original groove, kind of. So I need to emulate that. Hits. Do. Hey, you stopped that does music. Okay, so I made a mistake. I made a mistake when I was sight reading this, is that I accidentally thought the groove here, the groove on 232 says groove 2 and 4, and I was not reading it I like that. I was just like kind of blowing through it. I couldn't tell what it said. So we're gonna go back and do that whole section now that I know what I need to do. And we're gonna try to play it all the way towards the end. All right, so now that I know where we're at, we're gonna emulate that, or we're gonna try to do it again from the beginning and count it in. And the important thing is to count. I wasn't counting, so we're gonna try to do that again. All right, we're gonna take it from that section again. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Dude, I love this. I live for this. This is like my favorite thing ever. All right, and that is literally how I practice any song that I have to learn. I literally sit down. If I have a chart, I have a chart and I go through it. If I don't have a chart, I try to make one. I listen to the music, I break it down. So I try to repeat the sections where I make mistakes the most so that way I can fix them and make it smoother for me to play it. So if you want to see the full run through of this song, click on this video right here. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a follow, leave a comment, and tell me what other song I should do next and which other song I should break down so that way I can sit down and go through that torture again. All right, I love you all. Peace.